Attacks on Chamisa. Plans to launch new party, would they win? Why not launch without harming anyone? Azvipere mushe panapa vanhu voya vachinzwira adonation Chamisa tsitsi vanoziva kuti aiwa ndiye kamukomana asara vanoziva kuti uyu ndiye achafulfilla aspirations avo. Kusiyirwa kwakaitwa pawana Tsvangirai vaitoziva kuti aiwa apa ndo pane hope yeZimbabwe. Sandapinda mashoko kudanyira panapa noti subscribe or like on the bell kuti imira muchinjire ndinodanyira chiti. The attacks directed at opposition leader and arguably the most popular politician in the country, Advocate Chamisa, have been orchestrated by a group within ZANU-PF. This group is conspired with a few individuals from the opposition who are thought to be prominent figures with both local and international recognition, who are planning to launch their own political party. Over the past 5 or so years, certain individuals have consistently worked to undermine Advocate Nelson Chamisa, whether through unproven claims or by attempting to link him to ZANU-PF. All of this has been done in an effort to frustrate him and force him to abandon the millions who have placed their hope for a change of government, a better today and tomorrow, and a modern Zimbabwe in him. At every opportunity, they attempted to link him to state failure, economic decline, and persecution of opposition politicians and activists. In response, Chamisa has remained steadfast, offering hope and encouraging citizens to be patient, waiting for God's time. The attacks by these individuals in collusion with the ZANU-PF factions remain a blunder because ZANU-PF members cannot be trusted. A source told Change Radio that the use of these prominent opposition leaders by a ZANU-PF faction is merely a tactic to gain citizens' empathy, only to discard them once their goal is achieved. Ndomashwana budanyo kwa panapa aiwa vanhu vari consent kuti aiwa panguva ino vanhu vanoona kuti we are not drawing to 2028 kunyange zvapo aiwa pane zvibuda kuzama kuda kuaffecta mapose emuna 2028. People that are concerned aiwa nekufoma another new political party referring kune zvakamboitika kune mapolo apfuura nevakomana vanenge vaida kuzama kudestroy Chamisa's own formed party. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Enda comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.